What's up everyone, it's Alvin Parker, and today I'm going to talk to you about the sponge brush. The sponge brush is designed for naturally kinky, coily, or curly hair textures. It works best on slightly wet or moisturized hair that's at least 1 inch long. The first step you would like to do is add water to your hair to loosen up the hair a little bit. You're gonna slightly sponge it to get your hair ready for the sponge look. The next step, you wanna use a moisturizer. I like to use Tender Organics body butter. It gives the hair a nice shine and clean look to it without looking greasy. The next step, you wanna add Tresemme to actually hold the haircut, the sponge look in for the next 24 hours. When you're using a sponge, you wanna do a really nice circular tight motion, but you don't wanna press your hair down. You want to float on top of the hair, so use slight pressure when you're using the sponge. Be careful not to overuse the sponge brush, or breakage could occur. Thank you for watching. Tune in for more tips and tutorials from the Fade Game. This is Al, signing out.